Some myths surrounding instant soups say they cause cancer, asthma, Chinese restaurant syndrome, obesity, and cannot be properly digested. Starch, the main ingredient Maruchan soups are made of, is actually pre-gelatinized wheat, the same used in the industry to make pasta for soups, biscuits, breads, and so on. Wheat, like other cereals, can be digested between 20 minutes and 4 hours after being consumed. In fact, its digestion can be faster than integral cereals and bread, which because of the fiber remain for longer in the intestine, just like something richer in complex proteins like scrambled eggs or a piece of steak. But starch also contains monosodium glutamate. What is it? Is it bad? Monosodium glutamate is a natural substance used in the food industry as an additive and a salty food enhancer. However, it's been found that it awakens an anxious increase in appetite. You can find it in restaurant dishes. It is typical in Oriental food and processed foods such as seasoning powder. It can actually be naturally found in basic ingredients like tomatoes, for example. Sodium is a mineral, very important for our body. It is responsible of the electrolyte passage and translation through the cell membranes. In our country, there is not such a thing as a recommended index of sodium in our diet, but there are some countries that have one. It varies from one country to another. In England, the recommended portion per day is 2700 milligrams, while in Japan, 6600 milligrams is just enough. Each Maruchan instant soup contains 1500 milligrams of sodium. The truth behind the myth. All the analyzed cup soups, independently of the brand or flavor, have way too many things in common nutritionally. They represent a considerable caloric contribution, between 274 to 334 kilocalories. Their protein content vary between 6 and 7 grams, and their fat contribution is about 40 to 45 grams. Nutriologist Gabriela Noriega say the principal problem with this kind of soups is the spectacular amount of sodium they contain, 1.2 grams. This quantity represents 50% of the total recommended sodium for one entire day, which is of 2.4 grams per healthy adult per day. There are way too many carbohydrates, fats, and most of it all sodium, all of it contained in such a small portion of food. Even when some people could find it convenient, their carbohydrate content, they are definitely not recommended for obese or diabetic people, especially for those with arterial hypertension. The National Laboratory of Consumer Protection conducted a comparative table of instant soups, bean tacos, and a homemade ham and cheese sandwich to show their nutritional values. This table showed that the nutritional values of the sandwich and the bean tacos is higher than that of instant soups, even though the caloric contents of them all is similar. Also, both the sandwich and the tacos are richer in proteins, and both are lower in fat.